Hello everyone, Anthony here from Serpstat, back again with another tutorial about our Serpstat series. But before we go ahead and discuss any of these, let's check first this lead generation tool that we have here in Serpstat. So if you're looking for a tool that will get you white label audits for your website, then you can definitely find one here. So it would be best if you could take advantage of these free SEO audit that we have right here, as well as this free guide that will show you how Serpstat is generating agencies an additional $3,437 per month on autopilot. So just leave the needed information, and that will get you started on your journey with Serpstat. And having said all of that, let's now move back again into Serpstat. So we are now discussing about the URL analysis tool, and previously we've discussed about the overview. So today we'll be discussing a bit more in depth about its SEO research section and what it does, what you can expect from it, how is it going to benefit your business. So let's first discuss keywords under SEO research. So this is going to be a list of all the keywords that are organic and related to the URL that we have inputted, which is serpstat.com, and it has corresponding metrics with it, like keyword difficulty, position, volume, traffic, cost per click in dollars, and pay per click. Hold on, let me just see. And then results as well, and the URL that we have right here. So that is it. Actually, you can filter the given keywords right here depending on what you prefer. You can also change the country and copy that to clipboard, or you can export it so that you can view it more seamlessly into your devices. But yes, this is how organic keywords are being analyzed here in Serpstat, specifically for the URL analysis tool. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you found this one interesting and helpful. And if you have any comments, please leave them on the comment section below. Like this video, and of course subscribe with us here in Serpstat so that you can be updated whenever we put out more content or more videos about the different SEO tools that we're discussing. And also, of course, do not forget to visit serpstat.com so that you can get that SEO tool that I have mentioned at the start of this video. So thank you guys so much for watching, and see you on the next one.